Hello students, today I will tell you how to make an origami bird. So let's start. The material required is big circular box, any marriage card or craft paper, scissors, scale, fevicol, small tape, etc. So let's start. First of all, we will take a craft paper and will fold it like this and press it like this. Then we will take circular box and put this on the sheet, folded sheet like this, and draw a circle with the help of a sketch or any pencil like this. Then we will take a small tape and put it on the sheet like this, and will draw small circle with the help of this tape like this. Now we will cut these two circles like this. As you can see, paper is folded, so you will get two circles. So it is done. Now I have two circles of same size. Now we will cut this small circle with the help of scissor like this. So it is done. Now you can see I have two big circles and two small circles. If you are taking any marriage card, then you need two small circles because they were different from both the sides. But if you are taking any craft paper, then you need only one small circle which is of same color from both the sides. Then we will take both the circles and fold it like this, press it like this. Then we'll cut these circles, both the circles in this way. Make some cuts on the sheet like this. Now it is done. It will look like this. Now we will fold one of the circle like this, upper side, so it will look like this. Then we will take scissor and start folding these cuts upper side to make the wings of the bird like this. Same way we will do with the another circle. Fold all these cuts upper side like this. Then we will take a white or cream color sheet and will take fevicol, this fevicol lid, to draw a circle, a small circle with the help of this fevicol lid. So I will fold this sheet like this and will draw a small circle on this sheet with the help of a sketch like this. As it is folded sheet, so if we will cut this small circle, then we will get two circles of same size. Yes, now I have two small circles. Then with the help of marker, I will draw a small black circle inside this white circle to make the eyes of birds like this. Then we will take any marriage card of red color or any red sheet. Then we'll draw beak of the bird. We will take folded red sheet because we want two beaks like this. So we have two eyes, two beaks. Then we will take one circle and spread Fevicol like this and paste one of the eye here like this. Then spread Fevicol here and paste one of the beak here like this. Then on the other side similarly spread Fevicol here and paste another eye like this. Then spread Fevicol here other side to paste the another beak on the first beak like this. So the face of the bird is ready. Then we will take the same color sheet once again and with the help of scale we will draw a rectangle like this, a small rectangle. Take the size by your own like this and we will cut this rectangle like this. Then we will take scissor and make cuts of this size like this. So it is done. Then we will fold these cuts, one this side, second another side, one this side, second another side, one this side like this. It will look like this. Then we will start folding these cuts with the help of scissor, just like we have done in wings of birds. So we will make curved this like this. It will look like this. Then we will take one of this circle and will spread Fevicol here and will paste this circle face of bird here like this and will spread Fevicol here and will paste this rectangle here like this. Then we will paste it here like this, but don't spread Fevicol on full part. So take Fevicol and spread at the upper side of the bird like this. Here also spread Fevicol. Then we will take another part and will paste here like this. Press it properly so it will stick like this. Then at the bottom we will open this and press it little bit like this. Now then we will take legs of the bird in this shape, cut legs in this shape and will paste here like this. Spread Fevicol, then will paste. Same way on the other side we will paste another leg with the help of Fevicol. It is done. Then we will place this bird on any flat surface and will push from the back side of this bird like this and this bird will dance. So dancing bird is ready. In this way we can make many dancing birds like this with the help of any marriage card or craft sheet, craft paper, whatever you are having, and you will push from the back side of the bird, then it will dance like this. So I hope you are able to understand how to make an origami bird or an origami dancing bird like this. Thank you.